Our first presenter is Ms. Sri Lakshmi Suresh from SHHSS Dwaraga, Wayanad. She will be presenting on a topic that is highly relevant in today's rapidly evolving world: how disrupting technologies are reshaping industries, careers, and skill demands. Her presentation, titled Disruptive Technology and Future Skills, highlights the emerging competencies that young learners must develop to remain adaptable and future ready in an increasingly technology driven society. Sri Lakshmi, we welcome you for the presentation.
Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, quick warning: at least two of the skills you're very proud of today will be outdated. So, welcome to the world of disruptive technology, where robots learn faster than you do, your fridge is smarter than your classmates, and the future arrives before we even finish preparing for it. So buckle up, because we are about to witness some skills that are future-proof and that will help us get ahead of the machines, at least for now. So, what are disruptive technologies? When you hear the word disruption, the first thing that comes in mind is destroying or ruining, not exactly something that changes. But here, on the contrary, disruptive technology means innovations that fundamentally change industries and workflows. They replace traditional systems, create new markets, and demand new skills. Some examples for disruptive technologies are artificial intelligence, machine learning, AR, VR designs, blockchains, and quantum computing. What are the impacts of these disruptive technologies on careers? It has huge impact on careers because some of the well-known careers are getting outdated because of these disruptive technologies. Automation, for example, replaces routine and repetitive works, but it creates hybrid model, which combines technology, creativity, and empathy. Some future-proof skills includes adaptability, continuous learning, ethical reasoning, and interdisciplinary collaborations. When we look deep into these future-proof skills, there are 4 types of future-proof skills, which are technical skills, creative skills, adaptive skills, and human skills. Technical skills are for technical jobs, which are digital literacy, AI tools, and data analysis. Digital literacy is something very important. Everyone needs to be digitally literate because without digital literacy, we will be definitely thrown out of the employment markets. Creative skills such as design thinking, innovation, and prototyping are very important these days, and we'll come back to that a bit later. Human skills. You know, every company these days has an HR department, which is Human Resource Development Department, which requires a manager who manages all these human resources. They require empathy, emotional intelligence, and communication. And adaptive skills are required by every of these 3 sectors, which are lifelong learning. You need to be always learning. If you're not learning, you will be thrown out of the system. So lifelong learning and flexibility is very important. So when I said that creative thinking, creative things are, we will come back to it later, I said it. So UI UX designing is a job that focuses on creative skills. Why does UI UX design matter so much these days? It's like a bridge between human creativity and digital technologies. What is creative thinking and what is UI UX designing? UI means user interface designing and UX means user experience designing. It's simply said a website or an application that allows people to engage with it. For example, Flipkart. Everyone buys clothes from Flipkart and you like it more. You buy from it more because of how easy things are, the way it is. It's easy to use, it's easy to order stuff. That's why UI UX design plays a major role in these online shoppings and online purchases. So, usually UI UX designing only focused on the visuals. Right now, it focuses on augmented reality, virtual reality designs, voice interfaces, AI personalized chatbots, and ethical and accessible designs. So some case studies in UX designs. Let's look at some case studies. Before, you know why some people prefer Apple more than Android. But still, Android has so many more options than an Apple phone. The reason behind this is the human-centered designs of Apple mobiles. The human-centered designs of these Apple phones drives loyalty towards this brand. And just like that, Google's material designs are the ones that set global usability standard. And Duolingo, everyone is using Duolingo these days for learning languages. But why does no one else use such books and stuff? Because of the gamified user experience. It's so easy to learn and it's so fun and it's interactive, so you are getting more from Duolingo than a book. So, and Netflix and Amazon, everyone is obsessed with Netflix. Stranger Things is releasing on November 26th, and everyone is obsessed with these OTT platforms. The AI and UI UX design combines personalization and success. Well, we can't just talk about successes. At least I should mention at least one of the failures. Have you ever heard of Windows 8, Microsoft Windows 8? Because I didn't until recently, and it was because it was a failed mission. We have heard of Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11, but Windows 8 was failed because of how they ignored the user feedbacks. There are some things, there are some ethical and social responsibilities for these UI UX designers. So they need to be inclusive and fair. Whenever you design something, you need to be inclusive. There are many things that needs to be included and that needs to be excluded. You need to be aware of that. And dark patterns like manipulative websites, you get too attracted to it and you get manipulated by these designs. That is not going to work on a UX designing. Accessibility. There is something called WCAG guidelines, which is Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. It is released by the internets, and you need to be able to follow these rules in order to become a UI UX designer. And you need to ensure the privacy of these clients or customers that uses these, and mental health of these users also needs to be focused while you are designing a UI UX interface. For educators, this UI UX designs helps to integrate technology, creativity, and empathy. It helps them to create real-world projects and more learning models. For students like us, we can learn UI UX designing through certification courses online, which is very, very good for your future. If you have something in you before you pass the 12th grade, such as this UI UX designing course online, you will definitely be able to get a job in Bangalore, in anywhere with tech-based companies. And for professionals, use of AI tools ethically are very important. So UI UX career opportunities in India. There are all fields right now needs UI UX designers, especially fintech, which is financial technology, healthcare, education technology, and all these sectors require UI UX designers. Top recruiters are Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, etc. So what are these roles for these UI UX designers? There are several levels of UI UX designing, and you get promoted each time. The education, you can not only get these certification jobs from online, but also you can go and study from NID, which is a National Institute of Design, IIT Bombay, Trishti Institution, etc. So this is the career growth path of a UI UX designer. Entry-level designers are called UI UX designers or interaction designers. The mid-level designers are known as UX designers or UX researchers, products designers. Senior level, when you reach the senior level, you become the UX manager or design director. Top roles includes Chief Experience Officer or UX entrepreneur. The income and benefits of UI UX designing in India is when you enter this field, you get 4 to 6 lakh per annum. When you're more mid-level, you get 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. And when you're a senior UI UX designer, you get 12 lakhs and more. Globally, you can earn up to 70,000 and 130,000 annually. The benefits of UI UX designing is remote work options. You can work from home, you can work from office, you can work from anywhere. Health and wellness programs, professional development, and professional bonuses. So future trends in UI UX designing are AI-driven adaptable designs, immersive AI VR designs, voice interfaces, brain-computer interactions, sustainable green UX, which uses less energy, and ethical and inclusive AI design. So, disruptive technology, as a conclusion, disruptive technology reshapes work, but it combines human creativity with these technologies. UI UX designers are a bridge between this technology and creativity. So success in digital era depends on continuous learning, ethical awareness, and creative adaptability. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi, for your wonderful and confident presentation.